So this is an unboxing of the Cafepress, a custom-made iPhone 4 case that I did. Cafepress.com is a website where you can go and pretty much buy a whole variety of things. T-shirts, iPhone cases, iPad cases, stickers, pretty much anything. And I actually won a giveaway where I made a custom case for my iPhone 4. So here is an unboxing of it. It was already open since I was excited to look for it. So here's that. Alright, so let's put this to the side. I'm actually filming in the bathroom. Alright, so it says, so here's a crew, I believe. See, here's other things that you can get, t-shirts, bags, mugs, type of things. Their links will be at the bottom of the description. And then here's a receipt, I guess. Alright, so let's get to the actual unboxing. I actually like it a lot. The case feels hard, so you can see, and then around the edges it feels silicone gummy. Well, hard silicone gummy, but the case itself is hard. And it is scratch proof. Alright, so I'll put it on my phone. I tried putting it on the phone before, and it is, believe it or not, it is kind of hard. It takes a lot of push into it to put the phone inside. So it does take a while for me to put the phone in the cover. It actually works the other way around. Alright. So I actually got it in white since the white iPhone 4 hasn't come out yet. I decided to go with the white case. Let's see. I actually like the feeling. It doesn't make the phone look fatter at all. It looks nice. Here's a headphone jack, sleep wake button, volume rocker, and actually it's really easy to get to your vibrator. You don't have to like dig all the way in. The bottom is 30-pin dock connector, speaker, microphone. The other side, nothing. Top. There is a negative part to it. You have to kind of push hard into the sleep wake button in order to turn it off. Overall, I do like the feeling of it. It's pretty, hard. So this is the unboxing of the Cafepress iPhone 4 case.